Hey guys, you know who it is. It's Jackie. It's always Jackie. So today's video is a fall look. Oh yes. Using the new Mirage palette from Profusion. In love with this palette, I am. So, yeah, if you like the look, hit the thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit the bell if you want to become part of the hashtag notification nation, and you'll be alerted as soon as my videos go up. Before we get into the video, I do want to mention in my description box, I do have a link to my Facebook page, which is Beauty Artistry with Jackie, because Facebook would not allow me to name it my name. So that's what my friend Christina came up with the name. So yeah, go like that. And also there's my Twitter. Follow me on the twit. And there's also Snapchat and Instagram. So yeah, make sure you're following me on my social medias as well. And yeah, now that I said all that, let's get into this look. Not sure how I feel about my hair today. I don't really like it parted down the middle anymore. I don't know. My hair. Anyways, so that's not why we're here. We are here because I want to do a fall look using the Mirage palette with these beautiful fall colors. So we need to prime the eyes. You know what? I'm gonna try concealer. I'm gonna try to use concealer to prime my eyes. Whoa. Whoa. Oh dear. Oh dear. Okay. Blend that out. I'm just curious if these shadows will work as well using a concealer, not just a regular eye primer. You know what I'm saying? Just curious. Look to try new things. Okay, so alright, so I want to start off with this color right there. Right there. It has a name. Vast. No, that's not right. Wait. Good Lord, I don't know what it is. Adventurous. Something like that. This is why. Okay, anyways, so I'm going to take a fluffy brush and I'm going to dip into that. Oh my goodness. So, anybody out there? Did you go buy this palette? Are you gonna go buy this palette? I don't know. I haven't seen if it's in stores. I know it's online on their website. But I don't know. I don't really go to a whole lot of stores, so I don't know. I would assume it would be in stores. But you know what they say about assuming. Just makes an ASS out of you and me. And we don't want that, do we? Okay. Because fall is right around the corner, and these colors are beautiful. Alright, now I'm going to go into the one right under that. This beautiful orange one that is Fugo? Fugo. I'll go. It's orangey. Yeah, that one. That color. I'm going to use a smaller fluffy brush. And I'm going to put that in the crease. The crease, the crease. I really do love this palette, guys. The colors are just so pigmented, like, and they blend so well. It's like, wow. I love it. For that price point, I mean, seriously, why pay more? Why? What's the point? You don't need to. Right? Okay, so I love that orange color. I really do. I really, really do. Okay, and I really, oh, there's so many. I just, love, okay. I'm not making any sense. This, oh, okay, hold on. This color right there. I think it's called topaz, which I feel like doesn't make sense. But isn't topaz like, well, I guess it's a rock. I guess you can get topaz in different colors. I don't know. Don't listen to me. I don't know what I'm talking about. Anyways, I'm going to put that in the center and outer part. And I'm going to use my finger because, oh, guys, look at this. Oh, if this isn't fall, I don't know what is. Seriously. Gorgeous. Okay. It's so pretty. It's so pretty. Yes. Oh, I always forget to get out of light. Okay, now I want to go in with this beautiful yellowy color. That color, dazzle. No. Zenith. Can you see? Right there. And I'm going to put that on the inner part of the lid. And I'm going to use my finger. Oh my god, it's like a gold. Oh, this kind of looks like candy corn. Doesn't it? Okay, yeah, sure. We can candy corn it up. Why not? That's fall, right? Halloween, fall, yeah. Yeah. Why did I just get that on my nose? I did not mean to do that. Alright, I'm gonna go back into that orange and just kind of make sure I didn't make that disappear. Because I want that color as well. So pretty. Okay. Now I'm going to go in with, I'm going to go in with this, let me grab a brush. I'm going to go in with this, like, reddish color right there. And I'm going to put that in the outer corner. Going to deepen up that outer corner a little bit. Why am I talking so weird? I'm so weird today. I don't know why. I don't know why. I just am. Because you gotta think, like, you got your orange, your yellow, but you gotta have some red. The fall trees. There's red trees as leaves as well. Across the street from me, there's this tree that the leaves turn like a beautiful bright red in the fall. much red. I feel like that orange disappeared though. We're gonna have to go back in with that because that's a pretty color and I want it to show. Sometimes I get distracted in what I'm doing and I forget that I'm filming and I need to talk to you guys. Going back in with that orange. Okay, now I'm going to take that crease brush, dip back into the crease orange, and make sure that's still there as well. Now in with the transition shade brush and not adding any more, just blending it out. I think I'm going to take that red and I'm going to put it underneath. I'm going to take that orange transition shade and blend it out. Ooh. Look a little crazy right now, don't I? Okay, so there's that. And then I'm going to put on some eyeliner using the E.L.F. So there's that, and then I'm going to go in E.L.F. the Believe Beauty Caviar on the bottom. And I'm only going to do half. I love this caviar eyeliner for the waterline. Oh, amazing. Okay, now I want to put on some mascara. Going to use Unique Moodstruck Epic Mascara. Okay, I'm going to go in with this Believe Beauty Voluminize mascara as well because I like the little brush to help separate the lashes. That's the only thing. As soon as I put on mascara, my eyelashes fall. So they never really stay very curled. Trying to think if I want to use any of these colors for the inner corner. I think I'll just use a highlight. I'm going to use the Mary Luminizer highlight for my inner corner and brow bone. And I'm going to use this little brush. Just And voila! That is my fall eye look using the Profusion Mirage Palette. I love it. You know, you could totally do a more simple, toned down fall look. I'm not real toned down. It's just not who I am. So, yeah, I'm not going to put on lashes today because I don't feel like it. I don't want to wear lashes today. So I'm not gonna. I have a lip color that would totally, like, go with this, but I'm not. Nah. I think I'll just throw on what I already have on, which is the Petal LA color, lip color, and Petal, which is like just a nude shade. Boom. Let's keep the focus on the eyes, shall we? Okay, so I don't know what is happening to me. Very strange. So that is the look. I hope you like it. I love it. It is so fall. It is like perfect for fall. It's a very Thanksgiving-y type of. Anyways, so fall is coming, so here is a fall look. Feel like it? Hit that thumbs up. I hope you're enjoying my videos. Yeah, and I guess that is it for today. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I also hope that you have a wonderful day. Bye.